Tinies, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you guys are new. My name is Tanya, but I go by Makeup by Tiny T because I am so tiny. I am literally 4'10", and on a good day I am 4'11". If you guys do not know, I am freaking tiny. Well, I would just want to say excuse my nails. My kids did my nails. Can you tell? My 6-year-old did this hand and my 4-year-old did this hand. But anyways, today guys, we are going to be talking about this beautiful look that I created. It is for fall. Like, I am so ready for fall. Like, I mean, it's already fall anyways, but I've been just so ready for fall. But I am pregnant and I feel like, oh, you know, like I don't want to get dressed or get all cute just because I'm pregnant. So, you know what I mean? If you guys are pregnant and you guys have been pregnant or whatever, and you guys know how it feels, yeah, that's how I feel. But anyways, today's look, we are actually going to be talking about, or we're actually going to be using this palette. It is the Havana Blast, and it is 32 shade press pigment palette from Amor. As you guys know, I have a video of Amor using the Remember Me palette. This is from the Coco Disney Channel movie. If you guys haven't seen it, this is what this one is. And let me just tell you guys, like, these palette are freaking bomb.com. I don't think anybody uses that word anymore, but they are freaking bomb. Like, I mean, 32 palettes. Like, look at how freaking gorgeous they are. And these glitters, like, most of these press-on glitters are so freaking amazing. Here, let me show you guys. Like I said, ignore my nails. Look at that. And then let me swatch them, guys. I'm really bad at swatching, so I don't swatch very often, but there you guys go. I actually use this one up here on my inner corners. Can you tell? But it's so cute. The price on these freaking palette, guys, are $15. They are so underrated. Like, they need to be up here with the top makeup brands because they are so freaking good. They are super pigmented. I freaking love them. $15. And when I bought these palettes, guys, they were buy one get one free, so it was like a BOGO sale. So yeah, I got, your girl did a little bit of a, it was my birthday gift for myself, so be mindful. I kind of did splurge a little bit, but I got 6 palettes, guys. 6 freaking palettes. I think it's 6. Let me see. 1, 3. Yeah, I thought I didn't know how to count, but it's 6 palettes. If you guys want me to go in more in depth with these palettes, let me know, because I mean, these freaking palettes are so fucking good. Like, you guys seen the inside. I'll show you guys the Remember Me palette. Now, they still have the plastic, so really sorry. I haven't used them, so I had to rebuy this one just because I gave my other one away, but I really loved it. And this one is Dazzle Charm. Like, this is so freaking cute, guys. Like, look at this. And oh my god, look at this shit. Sorry, guys, I'm trying. But it's so freaking cute. Like, man, like, okay, I gotta show you guys this one right here. It's got stars. Oh my god, it's so freaking cute. I can't wait to actually use it. But let me know if you guys actually want me to go more in depth within this brand and actually what's it called, create a look using each palette and review them if you guys are interested. This one is Snow Queen. This one reminds me of the what's it called, the Frozen movie. But look at how freaking gorgeous this one is. I am really in love with this press on glitter. It is called Stellar. Look at it. Oh girl, they're so freaking damn cute, guys. And then we have the Macaron Magic. These are kind of like the really pastel colors, which are super, super pretty. You got your freaking glitters, you know? They're so freaking cute. Like, I don't know how pigmented this one is just because they are pastel colors. And you know, like, pastel colors are a little bit on the lighter side. And this is the Hibiscus Dream, guys. Oh my goodness. You guys know me, my favorite color is blue, and I absolutely love this freaking color right here. But let me know, like I said, let me know, girls, if you guys want me to go into depth with all these palettes. Let me know if you guys want me to do a swatch with all of these palettes. But yes, guys, these are so freaking damn cute. I freaking love them. Like, I got 6 palettes for, I want to say, what, 30, 40 something dollars? Like, 6 palettes for $40. I mean, come on. That's a fucking steal, guys. Like, that's amazing. So, but anyways, enough of me talking and blabbering my fucking mouth. Like, if you guys want to learn how to get this look right here, then just keep on watching. And let's just fucking get into the video. Why not? you.